Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to answer your questions which you have asked in my last video. So without any delay, let's start our first Q&A session. The question asked by Karthik: make a video on uses of electric cars and disadvantages of fuel cars so that everybody can get knowledge. Thank you for your suggestion. Definitely I make a video. And the next question was asked by Nirmal Kumar. Make comparison between Hyundai Alcazar and Hyundai Creta. Actually both are good cars, but Hyundai Alcazar is 7-seater and Hyundai Creta is 5-seater. In Hyundai Alcazar there is less boot space and last row there is no comfort for legroom and thigh support. So once think, if you want 7-seater then go to Alcazar. And if you want 5-seater then you can go to Hyundai Creta. That depends on your comfort and convenience. Choice is yours. And the next question was asked by Satya Gopal. Which car having best build quality under 10 lakhs? XUV 300 and Tata Altroz having best build quality. If you want to take compact SUV then go to XUV 300. If you want hatchback then go to Tata Altroz. Both are 5-star safety rating cars. And if you want more boot space then you can go to Tata Altroz. And remember one thing, Tata Altroz not having automatic gear and the XUV 300 having very less boot space. And alternative for XUV 300 is Tata Nexon. And the next question was asked by Rakesh T. In which area Maruti Suzuki is compromising? Yeah, Maruti Suzuki is compromising in its build quality, safety features and low plastic interiors. And they discontinued diesel engine because of this new BS6 emission. And the suspension is not good by comparing it with competitors. And the next question was asked by Srinivas Nikhil. Please explain Volkswagen Taycan specification. Taycan is upcoming car of Volkswagen in SUV segment. And their competitors are Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos and Skoda Kushaq. It is expected to be launched by August of this year. The Taycan could be priced from 9 lakhs to 17 lakhs at showroom price. The engine option for the Taycan will be 1 litre TSI and high variants come with 1.5 litre TSI petrol engine unit making 115 horsepower and 175 Nm of torque and paired with a 6-speed manual unit and 6-speed torque converter automatic unit, while the latter is more powerful with 150 horsepower and 250 Nm torque mated to a 6-speed manual and 7-speed DSG automatic unit. It is coming with 999 to 1498 cc and only in petrol. And the next question was asked by Ganesh. Make video on which is the best car between 5 to 6 lakhs. Sorry Ganesh, I can't make a video, but I can give a suggestion to you now. Ganesh, Nissan Magnet is best car between 5 to 6 lakhs, coming with spacious cabin. If you want to know more about this car, see my comparison video of Renault Kiger and Nissan Magnet. And the next question was asked by Venkat Saidev. Which car is value for money under 10 lakhs? Renault Kiger is best value for money under 10 lakhs for who are leaving metropolitan cities for maintenance and for services. Vitara Brezza is best value for money car for everyone. And the next question was asked by Vijay Teja. What are the difference between normal engine and turbocharged engine? The main difference between both the engines is that during the first stroke in turbocharged engine, the air is sent with the pressure into the cylinder. As a result, smaller engine produce better performance and efficiency. And the next question was asked by Ajay. What is the difference between MUV and SUV? The difference between SUV and MUV is SUV stands for Sport Utility Vehicle and MUV stands for Multi-Utility Vehicle or Multi-Purpose Vehicle. And the next question was asked by Nitin. What is a torque converter? Torque converter is a big concept, Nitin. I will make a special video on that. If you like my content, please like it and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my uploads.